Hello and welcome to this new section on case studies in excellence in revenue cycle management in this course, Master in RCM. So, in this section, we will help you get an in depth view of three case studies of excellence in revenue cycle management. And we begin with this section with this lecture where we'll talk about Mayo Clinic. So, what do you think? What does Mayo Clinic do that has made it become excellent in revenue cycle management in RCM? Any thoughts? Any thoughts on what has Mayo done? So, Mayo is recognized for excellence in revenue cycle management due to its strategic approach, long term approach, thoughtfully done, that integrates advanced technology, patient centered practices, and data driven decisions. Now, how do they do that? Let's take a closer look at that. What makes Mayo do each of these to stand out in RCM? So first, what they do is they use advanced technology and automation. Mayo employs a highly integrated EHR system, which helps streamline the billing process by ensuring accurate and timely documentation of the patient services, which is the biggest challenge. This reduces errors and the need for claim corrections. Second thing that they do is in this part is the automation. The automation is used to handle repetitive tasks in billing, claim submissions, and payment processing, and this minimizes manual errors and speeds up the revenue cycle, allowing Mayo's Clinic to handle high volumes of claims efficiently. So that's what they do by using advanced technology and automation. Then Mayo Clinic leverages advanced data analytics to monitor and evaluate the performance of their RCM processes. Real-time data allows them to track claim status, identify areas where the claims are likely to be denied by the insuring companies, and proactively address these issues before they address. They also use predictive modeling, using which it can forecast potential challenges such as payment delays or potential accounts of patients at risk of non-payment and take steps to mitigate those risks. This enhances cash flow and overall financial stability of the company. Mayo also focuses on patient-centered billing practices. Mayo Clinic emphasizes clear and transparent billing to improve the patient experience. They provide detailed, easy to understanding billing statements, which helps reduce the patient confusion and improve payment timelines. Mayo Clinic also offers robust financial assistance programs and flexible payment options to ensure that patients are able to meet their financial obligations well in time. And this patient friendly approach reduces the likelihood of unpaid bills and ensure a steady revenue flow. Uh, Mayo Clinic focuses also on reducing claim denials by ensuring accurate coding and documentation from the outset. They, they employ specialized teams to review claims before submission, and that improves their first pass approval rates that we talked about. It is the rate of if you submit 100 claims to insurance, how many get passed in toto and full in the first attempt. For claims that get denied, Mayo Clinic has a dedicated team that quickly resolves denials by identifying the root cause and resubmitting claims with correction. And this reduces delays in payments and increases overall collection rate. So efficient denial management is an important part of their practices. Uh, they do end-to-end process integration. They ensure that all aspects of revenue cycle from patient registration to final payments are fully integrated. Standardized processes and protocols across departments reduce inefficiency and ensure consistency in how billing and payments are handled. Mayo Clinic regularly reviews and refines its RCM processes to stay ahead of industry trends and regulatory changes. This commitment to continuous improvements helps them maintain high level of performance in revenue cycle management. They also stay focused on compliance and regulatory adherence. The Mayo Clinic maintains strict adherence to healthcare regulations, including compliance with HIPAA and payer-specific requirements. This focus on regulatory compliance minimizes legal risk and avoids costly penalties of non-adherence. The staff involved in RCM processes are regularly trained uh, on latest coding, billing, and compliance standards, and this ensures that the team stays current with the regulatory changes and can handle complex billing scenarios. So let's summarize what all does Mayo do? So by combining technology, patient-centric practices, and focus on process efficiency, Mayo Clinic has achieved and continues to achieve excellence in uh, revenue cycle management. And these efforts not only enhance their financial health but also improve the overall patient experience, contributing to their reputation as a leader in healthcare. So, what do we do next? So, we will look at another leading company in this area of healthcare, Cleveland Clinic, and we will understand what have they done to become recognized for excellence in revenue cycle management. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture on the case studies in excellence in revenue cycle management. I hope you are continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.